So, hindi daw po makakaapekto ang kanilang pagkakaibigan sa kanyang trabaho para arestuhin si Pastor Kibuloy. Yan po ang sinabi ni Brigadier General Alden Delvo, Director of the Police Regional Office in Davao Region, PRO 11, sa kanya pong statement kanina. Okay? So, nireport din po dito na binati niya ng happy birthday si Kibuloy. Okay, so basahin po natin. Brigadier General Alden Delvo has reiterated his warning against anyone who could possibly be coddling fugitive Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. At the same time, he urged the beleaguered head of KOJC to turn himself in before April 25. His and Kibuloy's birthday. So yun po ang kanyang ultimatum, ang kanyang deadline, April 25. Naku, birthday pala ni Pastor Kibuloy sa April 25. So kumbaga pa-birthday na niya sana yung pong sumuko na. At kumbaga to surrender himself to the authorities. Delvo, who is about to retire this month, admitted that since he and the KOJC leader share the same birthday, there were times in the past he spent his birthday at KOJC instead of at home. Sabay nagba-birthday. Pareho nga naman. Pareho nga naman yung birthday. But he assured the public that as a police officer, he would exert all efforts to find Kibuloy and turn him over to the court. I wish the pastor advance happy birthday. Happy birthday to us. Okay, advance happy birthday daw. Okay? I warn those who would be coddling the pastor, whether they be friends or worse, members of the police or the military, we will file a case of obstruction for justice once we find out about this. But 7 days after receiving the arrest order, the police remains clueless about his whereabouts. Maliit lang ang Davao. Yung mga importanteng tao dyan, yung mga matataas na tao dyan, magkakakilala. Diba? Parang ang mahirap paniwalaan na hindi nila mahanap si Kibuloy kung ito ay nasa loob lamang ng Davao. Okay? The SEC leader was ordered arrested by the Davao City Regional Trial Court. Pagkatapos po, kanina lumabas yung warrant of arrest sa Pasig naman, yung non-bailable. This developed as personnel from the Office of the Senate Sergeant at Arms arrived on Monday, also went to the property to serve the Senate's order for contempt. So ang daming naghahanap kay Kibuloy. RTC sa Pasig, sa Davao, Senado, o soon Kongreso, soon US, ang dami naghahanap. They were accompanied by personnel from the regional and city police, NBI, CIDG. Yan. Actionable intel needed. Ito daw yung kailangan. Our tracking teams are really doing their best, sabi ni Delvo. Okay? They should try harder, di ba? I even called members of the Intelligence Committee, everyone from the R2, REU, ISAF, MIG of the AFP to really exert efforts in locating Kibuloy because as regional director, I'm waiting for their actionable intelligence so that I could give directives to my people. Dapat sila din ang nagkukusa ng hanapin na. Pero dyan mapapatunayan na mali yung sinasabi ni Kibuloy na may nagbabantay sa kanya, kung talagang may nagmamanman sa kanya ng mga taga-US, dapat alam kung nasaan siya. Bakit ngayon hindi alam kung nasaan siya? O baka naman may nagtatago sa kanya or hindi natin alam kung anong nangyayari dyan, ba't hindi siya matunton. Okay? According to Delvo, he believes the leader is still in Davao because the city remains a safe haven for him. Yan naman talaga ang pinakaligtas sa kanya, which is sa Davao. He said he has been in constant communication with Kibuloy's lawyers, telling them it would be easier for their client to surrender. It's been a week. We're exerting efforts. We're still looking for him. There are a lot of problems, but the long arm of the law will definitely catch up with him and other fugitives in the Philippines and around the world. Nako, sana naman po mag-double effort itong sila Sir Delvo. Diba? Kasi syempre mapagbibintangan sila dahil magkaibigan, magka-birthday pa, diba? Tapos ang lapit pa ng retirement. So baka gusto niya tapusin na lang niya yung retirement niya. O baka naman pwede ipamanage na niya sa iba, ipahandle na niya sa iba. Magre-retire na naman siya. Di hayaan na lang siya makapag-retire ng tahimik. Diba? Kesa na napag-iisipan pa siya na baka may bias o baka pinagtatakpan o ano. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi nila mahanap yung Davao, 'di ba? Pwede mong galugurin naman yan Davao, hindi naman ganun katagal aabutin pero hindi nila mahanap. So baka mas maganda ipaubaya na lang niya sa iba yung pong paghahanap dito kay Kibuloy. At mahirap kasi nga merong personal na connection. So ito po yung sinabi niya.
Knowingly that meron siyang
Can't believe it.
Somebody willfully, no? And knowingly that meron siyang warrant and you are cuddling him, may batas din against that. So we are warning. May warning na rin sa from the government. And then yes, pagka kaibigan ka and you willfully hide him from the authorities, pwede kang kasuhan dyan.
Yun. Sana nga po ay talagang tinututukan po nito pong si Region Office 11 Director Alden Delvo ito pong kaso at para po matunton na si Kibuloy at para harapin na niya yung pong mga kaso niya sa korte. Okay? So tuloy-tuloy lang po yung coverage po natin. See you po sa next video. Mamaya po mag-live tayo. Bye-bye guys.